to another episode of Sunset Rider. Today we're going to be changing out a coil and a furnace. I've already taken the Freon out of that one. There's my gauges. There's my hot rod. Yes, it's got jams. Yes, it's got jams. So anyway, we're taking the Freon out already. The power's off. We're going to go into this gentleman's apartment here. Right, nobody's home. So I don't have to say nothing when I walk in here, because nobody's fucking home. These are fairly small, fixed up apartments. I'll put my tools down there. Probably about 900, 1100 square feet, something like that. But anyway, enough about the remodeling and shit. Let's get down to business. Yes, I'm high as fuck. Okay, this is the unit. It's finished up. See it? Still runs on a gas pilot. It's got an old style gas valve. I'm gonna have to disconnect the gas line here in a minute. It's kind of dim in here. The light sucks in here. The lighting sucks in here, bro. Small bathrooms. Oh, that helps, maybe. Oh, wait, hold on. Can I tell you something? Really beautiful. Anyway, I gotta start disconnecting all my electrical wires, my power, my thermostat, my condenser control, gas line valves right there. It's kind of dark, you can't see it, the gas is off. Coil's been cut out already, I just gotta remove it. So we're gonna remove the coil. We're gonna remove the coil, remove the furnace, take it out, bring a new one, reverse the process. Let me get to work here and I'll keep you on part 2. See you later.